Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas 2021. I'm so excited. So first thing first, guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about how I'm going to be doing it this year. Now, I was going to do 12 days of Usmas, which is something I've been doing, but I don't want to make you guys wait until the 13th. That would mean from the 13th on is when I would load videos. So I don't want to do that. So guess what? As you see, today is the first day, and every day from this day till Christmas, I will load a video. It might be a live, it might be a haul, it might be decorating, it might be a DIY, it can be a plethora of things because this is how to DIY and save a dime. So I'm going to stick to what I love and what I enjoy, and that's sharing ways that you can save your money, that you can save yourself stress on this channel. So not only that, I wanted to share with you my intro. So I'm going to be sharing the intro, and I want you guys to tell me what you think. Yeah, I'm excited about sharing my intro. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this video. If so, you will see it. If not, I'm just gonna leave the description of the actual intro in this video. So yeah, I wanted to do something a little bit different. It's me trying to minimize the exposure of certain things for my protection and just for my family's protection. So with that being said, I am going to, you're going to see this outfit a couple times because today your girl was working, okay? Working, to get some openings for some videos done. I said, you know what? I am not going to change. It's going with the flow of my colors, black, white, and red, and we're just going to stick with it. So that's what I'm doing. So I wanted to come to you guys and say, you must be subscribed. You must be subscribed in order to get notifications, because I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what time I'm gonna load, but you will get a video every day. But if you don't want to miss out on the videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's how you join the family, and that way you're notified every time I load a new video. So make sure you do that. And because I don't believe you can put notifications on if you're not subscribed. What else? Yes, from now to the 21st, 25th. And what I'm going to do is, I have a lot of videos that I've already loaded way before Vlogmas that I've been trying to edit and fix and continue with sharing with you guys. So some of them may not have intros. That means they were created way before December or November or even months before. So I got to get these videos out because I really don't want to go into another year holding on to videos trying to figure out when I want to release them. So you're going to get some of those videos, and you're going to get newer videos. Some of the videos I found myself taking them off of YouTube to put them back on, just to put an intro on them. I said, oh no, girl, we are not doing this. We are not doing this. We're not doing this. Okay. So we are going to use what we got, and anything from this point on, if it's going to be loaded in December, it will have a either mini intro. What I'm doing is the mini intros will be for videos that are going to be relevant throughout the year, even when the holidays aren't here, like DIYs and how-tos, things that can really help you. And for you plus size women like myself, I have a lot of great video hacks on, let me retract. I have a couple different videos that I'm going to be loaded in this Vlogmas about different hacks when it comes to fashion, when it comes to certain things that we have our issues with as far as clothing and shoes and stuff. So I'm going to be doing some of that, and I'm going to do some DIY things that I really want to share that make my life amazing, makes it so much more easier for me. So I'm going to be sharing that as well. Please make sure that you are subscribed, because guess what? Not only am I going to be loading pre-recorded videos that I've edited, but I'm going to be coming live randomly. And I might just come live and say, send me your, and if you know, you know, because on my live, I shared and I blessed multiple people. And I'm not going to tell you what it is. Maybe you need to go check out that live where I had the black shirt on with the green earring, lime green earrings and the green ring. If you go check out that live, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. You have to have been rocking with me, or at least watching a nice amount of my content, to be getting these blessings, because it's going to happen throughout December. And it might just be a random live that I come on and ask for the first 1, 2, 3, 4 people or whatever, so I could be a blessing. So anyways, I want to put that out there. And what else? Yeah, that's basically it. So welcome to Vlogmas vlogmas/Ushmas 2021. I'm excited. I thought I had more to say. I'm literally editing and waiting for like 6 videos to load right now. I am so tired. It is currently 6:30 and I've been at this since about, I want to say 8 o'clock, doing DIYs and doing different projects and trying to do videos and openings for some of the videos I'm going to do. So you might get a good opening seeing me as a diva, and then the rest of the video I might be plain Jane like I am 95% of the time. Yeah. So with that being said, I thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. This is another year. We're going into another year. Remember that if you are breathing, if you are living, if you are hearing my voice, that God is giving you another day. And we pray, fingers crossed, another year for us to stay in this thing and do what we need to do to live and walk in our purpose. If you did not know, I also have an inspiration channel that is The CPR Vibe, and that link should be below. If it's not below, it's easy to find it. TheCPRVibe. I load content every Monday through Friday at 6 a.m. Great things for you to share with your friends and your family. Great things for you to share. So I just wanted to jump on and say welcome to day 1 of my Vlogmas, and this is the way I'm going to do it. You're going to still see the 12 days of Usmas on there. I don't know, it's just something about saying 12 days of Christmas. I don't know, I love that. So I'm just going to stick with it. People who know will know. All right. So I love you guys. And remember, there's no me on YouTube and me consistently wanting to give my all and continue not giving up no matter how much of a fight it is to try to get this channel to grow. I just know that God is amazing and he does things in his time, and things that are worth waiting for is worth your patience. And what did they say? The good things come to those who wait. And I've been waiting, and I see what God is getting ready to do and how he's getting ready to do things. And I'm just so excited for that, not just on YouTube, but just in my life in general. Has been an amazing blessing. You know what song I was doing a DIY for the video? Actually, I think I was putting my daughter's chair for her room up, and a video will be posted in the Vlogmas for that. And the song your grace your loving kind, oh my gosh, what is this song? Hold on. This one. Oh, this makes me cry. I have to skip it because yes. Oh my gosh, this is not what I was supposed to be doing. Oh gosh. But it's like these are tears of joy because God is so amazing. He is so amazing. He is so amazing. He is so amazing. And great is his mercy, his love and kindness, always providing, protecting. If I talk to anyone and try to express where I've been and where I'm going and what I see and what God has shown me, it's just amazing because it's like I'm still standing and all that I do and all that my heart is in, I'm still standing no matter what people say, no matter what people feel. I am great. I am unique. I am different. You are too. You are too. I just want to stay in my lane. I want to stay, meaning like sometimes people tend to veer off. I don't want to do that. I want to stay in my lane and do what God has called me to do. And that is to encourage and inspire and uplift and continue to mentor these great people that I am mentoring in my business that I have created from the ground up. Being a mentor, meditation, a mentor, transformation coach, I love everything that God has bestowed upon me and placed inside of me. And I humbly thank you. All that support me, have been supporting me and rocking with me from day one. I appreciate you. I so appreciate you. I don't care if it's just one, but for those that I know, I really appreciate you. I'm so sorry this went in another way. Now I'm going to be listening to this song for the rest of the night until I go to bed. Oh my gosh, this song does something to me on the inside part, in the heart, I love you guys. I gotta go. Welcome to Vlogmas / Usher's 2021, How to DIY with How to DIY and Save a Dime. Make sure to check out the intro. I will actually, no, it'll be, I don't know how am I gonna do this. How am I gonna load the intro? Maybe that'll be tomorrow's video. Yeah, the intro will be tomorrow's video. That's what I'll do. Tomorrow's video will be the intro. So you can actually see the intro and comment below and tell me what you think about the intro. And then you'll see it throughout Vlogmas, all right? All right, I'll see you guys later, guys. Have a amazing day, night, wherever you are, whatever applies. Have an amazing day or night. And make sure you please join the family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays.